Welcome to Caption Animator Pro installation tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to install and activate your professional text animation tool for After Effects. First, go to Edit Preferences, Scripting and Expressions, and enable Allow Scripts to write files and access network. Now go to File Scripts, Run Script File. Locate your Caption Animator Pro.jsx file and open it. When the script runs, it will ask for your purchase code. You can find this in your Envato Downloads area under License Certificate and Purchase Code. Open that text file to find your purchase code. It looks like this format. Copy the code, paste it into the activation window, and click Activate. You're now ready to create professional text animations with Caption Animator Pro.
I feel rhythm in my soul.